What's up, guys? This is Cybertechies. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to install a new app, which is a legal streaming application. So I'm going to show you how to install this application in the Firetv stick. So just go to the home screen, and as I shown you in the previous video, open, install, and open the Aptiode AppStore. So if you have any doubt in installing this Aptiode TV, you just go to the this video description and watch the previous video that I told you how to install the Aptiode TV in the Firetv stick. So go to search, type to be. It's a great movie streaming application. So you need to download it to watch latest English movies, animation. Yes, this is the application. You can download it from here and install it. So I've already installed this in the Firetv stick. So just I'm going to open it. Yeah, this is the streaming application that I was talking about. So it has lots of English movies, old classic English movies and latest English movies, which is not the latest. In about which was lots of movies that are released in 2015, 17. Yeah, lots of classic movies available in there. You must try this app. This is a great application for kids. You can also go to kids mode. You can access the kids mode to only watch kids movies. There are a lot of kids movies and shows are available in this application. Just try this application. This is a great application for kids as well as the grown-ups. Just try it and install it in Firetv stick. Please comment if any questions. Please subscribe my channel. Please like. Please share. Just ask me if you have any questions. Just inbox me. Thanks guys. Have a great day ahead.